Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Creations by Designs, but you can call me Leslie. For those who have been here before, welcome back. And those who are new, welcome to my channel. I hope you find some inspiration. In this video, I'll be showing you, it'll be a very short video. It's a vignette I created with the centerpiece I made and the wall hanging, the plates I made. I just glued them together and hung them up by G-string. Very easy. Easy peasy. Easy as pie. The scarecrow I got from Dollar Tree. The bale of hay I got from Dollar Tree. The turkey I've had for years. The Farm Fresh sign I got from Dollar Tree, as you all well know. And everything else is Dollar Tree or items I've had on hand, or I got from thrifting, or my neighbors. The apples I got from a thrift store, as you know in my last video. The pumpkins, the flowers, the pumpkin napkin holder. It's like 3 displays in one. Halloween and actually 2. Halloween and Thanksgiving. And a little bit of Christmas with the buffalo plaid. I'll give you close-ups. Harvest because of the pumpkins and apples. The turkey for, gobble gobble. Farm Fresh because what's Thanksgiving without pumpkins or pumpkin pie? And my centerpiece. That's all there is. If you like what you saw, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hope you enjoy this video, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon. And love y'all. And if I inspire one person, I'll be thrilled. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye. Love y'all.